Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show. I am sorry I'm running out of a bit of light here, so it's a bit dark, but we have this gorgeous 2014 Ram 1500 SLT quad cab 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the powerful 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with a 8-speed automatic transmission. It's shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color, and this truck comes with all sorts of extras, including the optional luxury group, protection group, and trailer tow group. So there's lots happening here. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. Give you a quick shot of the wheels and tires. And then you have your signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature. Those are, again, towing mirrors, side steps helping you in, beautiful two-tone gray interior here, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Lots of storage in the door. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get this gorgeous premium cloth throughout. This truck also holds 6 passengers. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control options and shifting options to your right, to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection buttons, and then behind my fingers there you do have audio-mounted controls. Fully automatic headlights to the left of that, and the current mileage sits at 90,051 kilometers, so very low mileage for the year. Lots of information happening in the menu. Take a second to explore that a little bit more with your sales advisor, and then you have, of course, your ignition area. Nice clean dash area, RAM storage up top. Great spot for an extra set of sunglasses, climate control down below, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio. And then for your media, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and an SD card. And then, of course, you have a few other options. There's also a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. Settings screen. And then down below that, you have, again, your dial shifting knob and 4x4 options, the manual buttons for your climate control, trailer brake control, tow haul, and traction control. There's an AC outlet to the right as well as USB down below. Pull-out drawer for additional storage. Again, you can fit 6 passengers in here, so all of your media ports are tucked away, and then this does, of course, lift up to give you that capability. And we'll just give you a quick pan through here on the passenger side. Once I move my stuff, everything is in excellent condition. So you do have a glove compartment down below, additional space above that, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, and interior cabin lighting. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide. Again, this is a quad cab. The bottoms of the seats will lift up easily to reveal additional storage down below. You also have storage underneath here and these panels that come out and secure so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. You have a tonneau cover on here, and the back bed is lined for added durability. Again, you also have that rear sliding window, tie-down hooks in the 4 corners, and your trailer hitch receiver. So overall, as you can see, that was a very quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.